Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Tay here. Today we taking a look at some of my cases for the HTC U11 Plus. Didn't see any videos on YouTube for the Plus model of the phone, but there's plenty for the regular one, so just wanted to do a quick video for you guys. And to start things off, we have this like clear case that actually comes in the box with the phone. If you guys can see, it has a lot of little micro scratches and things on it just from me using it. And I would say this is the case I've used most of the time with the phone. This hard plastic snaps right on, and what's nice about this case is, I mean, it's like a gift and a curse. The sides are actually out. As you can see right here, the sides exposed, and then the bottom is exposed as well. Well, the top isn't exposed, so just the sides and the bottom. But this makes it really easy to grip because it's not any water on the phone like a regular case would be. So this case is cool, but it's very minimal as far as protection goes. So that's to start it off. And then taking it off, you just peel up one side, peel up another one, and then from there you can just go ahead and pick it off. Next case is the Wellic case. This is like a soft silicone case. It has like a brush finish on the back, and it does come in 6 colors on Amazon. Here's the navy color. It only runs for $7.99, and you got a little company branding in the middle, diamond cutout at the bottom for your microphone. And you have a cutout for your fingerprint scanner, camera, and the flash. And no cutout for the buttons, but you do get this little raised fill. And let's go ahead, throw it in. And this is the amazing silver HTC U11, so it goes really well with this, like the blue on blue, because the silver color is amazing silver, but it looks mostly blue, depending on how the light is reflecting off of it. So this case is really nice. You got your cutouts at the bottom for the mic, USB, and speaker. There's another microphone here at the top. There's a cutout for it. Like I said, the cutout for the other last microphone, and then for your camera and everything. So it's really easy to find your fingerprint scanner in the case. You know, if you have a hard time feeling for it, that hole definitely helps out. And I did crack my phone with this case on. It's definitely not going to give you like protection for the screen. You don't need a screen protector. You see this little crack down here, but it does have some raised lips on the front of the cases, so if you set it down, it's giving you very small protection on the table. So that's that case, and it's not too thick either, but it does make the case a little wide, ever so slightly wider than what the phone is. So last case that I have for you guys is this case by a company named Anccer, or Anccer. I'm not sure how they pronounce it. It's spelled pretty funny, but I'm gonna throw a link in the description for all the cases. This is $11.99 on Amazon, and they have 10 different colors, and they have a groove or gravel model such as this one, and they have a smooth model. So this gravel model adds more grip to the phone. It feels really good. If you guys had a chance to feel it, like it feels like you have like something like a dust or something, some particles on your fingers after you get finished rubbing on this. They call it rock sand matte shield, so definitely feels really good. Definitely a light case, like really light. Let's go ahead and throw it on. So this is like very thin, you know, as far as just like the case that comes with the phone. So it's not as wide as this Wellic case, and it feels really good in the hand. Like keeps the HTC U11 Plus skinny, like how, you know, the whole point of going to this 18:9 ratio. We have like cutout here on the side, one on this side as well. You do have button, like a raised button set up instead of cutouts for the buttons. And then it has more accents like cutouts on the corners. You have a cutout for your microphone at the top, microphone at the bottom, speaker and USB, microphone on the back, and then camera, your flash and everything. Also makes it easy to find the fingerprint scanner on the back. So yeah, this case is probably what I'm about to rock with because it's just so thin and it's very grippy. And if you have the HTC U11, you know it's all glass, so it's definitely very slippery. So definitely check out these cases if you guys like them. I'm gonna throw the link in the description where you can pick them up. And yeah, be sure to like this video, share it out, and subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna have some more content on the HTC U11 Plus. So it's your boy Tay signing out again. Peace.